What's up, guys? Sat Shri Akal. Welcome to your channel. Today we're gonna make watermelon juice and tarbooj, the juice. Let's go over the ingredients and stuff that you need. So obviously you need watermelon, and we have a watermelon cut up here in multiple pieces, and we have 1 bowl of ice. We have 1 tablespoon of sugar. We have 1 black salt powder. This is a black salt powder. We have lemon, and we have mint, pudina, and you need a little bit of water. You need a water. Let's get started and make watermelon juice. All right, let's make watermelon juice. Put some little bit of water. Put some sugar. Black salt powder. Lemon. Mint. And let's put some ice. There we go. We have a watermelon juice. Cold, fresh watermelon juice. It takes a couple of minutes to make. Alright guys, watermelon juice is ready. Homemade, fresh. It only took a couple minutes to make. And time to enjoy. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. And ciao.